With all the suspense and drama of a reality TV show, President Trump picked the favorite.
Tonight, it is my honor and privilege to announce that I will nominate Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the United States Supreme Court.
The nomination of the president's choice for the U.S. Supreme Court has already begun a battle between liberals and conservatives that will cost millions of dollars and could dominate the November midterm elections.
Mr. Trump's presentation and Mr. Kavanaugh's almost was a political campaign appealing less to judicial philosophy than to what people might think they were voting for as a political candidate.
If confirmed by a narrowly divided Senate, 53-year-old Kavanaugh is expected to tilt the nation's highest court decisively to the right, in opposition to such issues as abortion and gay rights, despite making this promise.
I believe that an independent judiciary is the crown jewel of our constitutional republic. If confirmed by the Senate, I will keep an open mind in every case, and I will always strive to preserve the Constitution of the United States and the American rule of law.
With respect to the Constitution, he believes in paying attention to what the framers thought they were writing when they wrote that language. In that sense, he's not going to be an attractive candidate for those of a more liberal persuasion.
Pro-abortion demonstrators and others began protesting on the steps of the court even before Trump made the announcement. Kavanaugh was a former staff secretary to President George W. Bush and a former aide to Kenneth Starr. He was the special counsel whose investigation led to the impeachment trial of President Bill Clinton. With Trump facing a special counsel of his own, he may now have a key ally. Kavanaugh has already spoken out against indicting a sitting president. In the Minnesota Law Review, he wrote, "The indictment and trial of a sitting president, moreover, would cripple the federal government, rendering it unable to function with credibility in either the international or domestic arenas."
Of all the people, the most self-serving person he could choose in order to protect himself from this criminal investigation. We cannot let this confirmation process go forward.
With the U.S. Senate deciding the nomination and split between 51 Republicans and 49 Democrats, every vote will count. Conservative groups have already launched an ad campaign.
He wants the best of the best on the Supreme Court.
And the president has signaled he's ready for the battle. Trump has set up a nomination war room next door to the White House and the Eisenhower Executive Office building, a sign to liberals that the battle is on. John Hendren, Al Jazeera, the White House.